Yo, what is up, guys? It is motovlog day, and if you saw the title and thumbnail of this video, we are finally mixing it up a little bit. Oh my god, I've never been more excited to film a video in my life. You have no idea. I am on a mini bike. I'm finally on a mini moto. Oh my god, you have no idea how excited. Oh, big ass bump. Oh, tried to avoid it. Sorry. You have no idea how excited I am to be on this right now. So, a little backstory of why I'm on this. I'm also not alone. If you can look in the rear view mirror, you might see a sleeve. So, this is not my bike. I fucking wish. I wish. Hold on. Gotta avoid this gargantuan crater in the ground. Okay, so, not my bike. The person whose bike it is behind me, currently on me right now. So, huge shout out to Claire for making this happen, because if it was not for her, we would not be on this mini bike right now. So, this is not my first time on this bike. She actually bought it at a dealership about 15-20 minutes away from where we are right now. We're basically in Denver again. As you can see, here's I-25. That ain't happening on this whole girl. But she bought it a little bit further away from here, and I actually had to ride it home for her. She passed the test with flying colors. She did phenomenal. She's a great rider. Don't you do it, Jeep. She's a great rider, but you know, your first bike, especially on, if you're around here, Santa Fe and stuff, can be very intimidating, especially when you don't have a lot of power to get the fuck out of the way, right? Like, if I full throttle this girl, look, this is full throttle, right? And we went up 2 miles an hour. So, you know, you have to be a little bit more strategic when you're riding these little mini bikes, because you know, on the big bikes, you can just, you know, one blip of the throttle, and you're ahead of every car that's on the road. But on this old girl, you can't do that. So, the bike is a 2022 Benelli TNT 135. It currently has 212 miles on it, and when she bought it, I believe it had 158. I've actually ridden this bike more than she has. If you caught the hint in the last video, I was like, you'll have to, hopefully I can make a video on the bike that I've been riding a lot. That's been this one. I've been riding it a lot. She's been getting it down and learning it. Got a downshift here. She's been figuring out. She's been doing great. I am so excited because if you know me, I love miniature. I love mini things. My favorite car is a Miata. I love these little mini motos. Like this is what's fun to me. I'm not even gonna lie. I've had a couple of people offer me a Grom for my big bike, and you bet your ass I've almost taken it a couple times. But I don't know, I like having a big bike. So this video isn't gonna be too long, obviously, because it's, you know, it's a little more scary. You know, when I'm filming motovlogs by myself, I can, you know, it's my bike, I can do what I want, I can focus on different things. But when you, oh my god, there's another mini bike. Ah! But when, you know, you're on somebody else's bike, plus you have the owner hugging you, you know, it's, if I die, it's one thing, okay? If she dies, it's another thing. We don't want that to happen, right? And driving down here, man, this hectic as hell, boy, I tell you what, boy, hectic. Okay, here we go, we're at 49, it's a downhill. I'm gonna give her a little beans on the downhill, here we go. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Can we hit 60? Oh, my ass is vibrating so much. She's almost revved out. 58 miles an hour going downhill with 2 people. Almost revving out at 9K. So what we're doing in this video, I'm just gonna go through Inglewood because I'm familiar with it, and it's better to be on roads that you're familiar with a bike that you're not too familiar with. And you know, it's currently Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day, and it is a hot one, boys. As you can see, listen, gear snobs, I'm in a sleeveless shirt. Sorry, not sorry, okay? It is hot as a motherfucker, okay? I'm dying, so make fun of me, tell me I'm gonna die and be a human crayon. I don't really give a fuck. New driver, please be patient. Oh no. Still hot or you cooled down a little? Still hot. Oh my god, this motherfucker. It's kind of weird on this bike. I can put both my feet down, flat foot. I fucking hate being short. You have to go through the gears so quick. Second, there's third. I'm max throttle right now. We're maxed out, boys. Third, fourth. I think there's 5 on the Benellis. We got one more. Here we go. 44. One more. 47. Yeah, it's see, I love this. Oh, I want a mini bike so bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Inglewood High School for a minute, and I'll give you a tour of the bike and show you like what it looks like, because man, this thing's pretty spiffy, man. It's pretty nice so far, man. I love it. I still haven't decided if I would get like one of these or a Grom, because I think these tend to be cheaper I think so. I think they tend to be cheaper, but you know, a Honda's a Honda, baby. Okay, I'm gonna have to let this car go because, you know, I can't speed up and get in front of traffic. Full throttle to the floor, baby. All right, yep. Here's our turn, boys. Holy, what is going on here? There's no, that's got to be like a celebration of some, oh yeah, it is. That's an Alcohol Anonymous place. I was like, there ain't no way there's that many alcoholics out right now. Well, there's a lot of them, listen. There's a lot of them, okay? But that came out wrong. That came out wrong. Let's go show you what this old girl looks like. It's a really nice color scheme. It's like red and black. My gloves match perfectly. I was actually here yesterday. Actually, I went to the fair with her yesterday. First time I had been to like a fair, man. It was pretty wicked. I enjoyed it a lot, man. It was you know, a lot of people, a lot of people, but it was still wicked. All right, show you what this old girl looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually like the color scheme. It matches my gloves pretty well. She's wearing white. That doesn't match for dog shit, but you know, I'm not here to judge. Nice red brake calipers. I wish you would put a new exhaust on it because it's very quiet. I don't know. How do you not burn your leg on this? I do. You do? It's like right there. I actually didn't even notice that till just now. There was a heat shield here, but the donkey fucks at the dealership, this thing had an oil leak, and I think that's why it was in. She had to get the oil leak fixed, and the donkey fuckers only put one bolt back in here. So when we was riding around, this thing was and it was fucking dog shit. It was fucking cancer is what it was. But I love this thing, man. Here, we'll turn the headlights on. Gotta be careful because it is not liquid cooled, it is air cooled, so, you know, and it is a very hot day. I don't know how she's fucking surviving. I would have thrown up from a heat stroke already. But here's the headlights. Kind of hard to see in the daytime, but brights. I don't know why the brights turns this one on and these ones off, because I think that's the brights. Yeah, that's the brights. Usually you would think this is low beams and this is high beams, but you know, I'm not Benelli. What are they, Italian? I think they're Italian, I think. But we're gonna run to the gas station because I said I told her if she would let me make a video on it, I would fill up her gas tank because, you know, I mean, this gas tank is fucking puny. Do you know how big this gas tank is? Ain't no way it's very big now. Yeah, it ain't a very big gas tank. So we're gonna run to the gas station and then I'll ride some side roads for a second and then I'm gonna take her back to her house because it is unbelievably fucking hot out here. I'm gonna die. You should have just wore a sleeveless shirt, brother. You could look like you do have one. Oh, okay, but you still got the jacket. She doesn't want to be a human crayon. That's my goal in life, is to become a human crayon. Please do not hit, though. Listen, don't hit me, though, with her on the back. I can die, she cannot. All right, so, boys, she's filming me right now, so you can get a perspective. Now, listen, I'm a short little guy. Yes, we all know this. This is a little bike. This is probably going to look like a normal bike with me on it, but I have this camera going, and I have that camera going that she's holding right now. So, here, we're going to go around the block and see if I look as small as I think I do, okay? Or if I make this bike look like a normal bike. All right, here we go, boys. This way. Now, dude, these little mini bikes are so much fun. I ain't finna lie to you. Dude, like, oh my God, they are like the funnest shit ever. Like, why can't I have one of these? You know what I'm saying? Should I buy one, you know? It's comfy too. Like, look at the seating position. Well, you guys can see the seating position, right? Like, it's really upright and mellow. Plus, this bike is like really easy to stand up on. Like, look at this. Like, this bike is so maneuverable. Now, I've told her 100 times, if I had one of these bikes, I would be getting in a lot of trouble with it. I would be a little hoodlum on one of these Johnnies, but I'm not going to do that because it's not mine. But we're going to get ready to head back on the road. She was riding a little bit, so now we're going to head to the road, actually go to the gas station, and then take her back to her house. All right, we're done. We chilled. She rode a little bit. I let it cool down. The sun actually went away for a little bit. So now we're going to go this way and go to a gas station, but I'm taking back roads because, let me tell you, it's Memorial Day and people are driving like psychotic people. Oh my God, speaking of almost dying, we almost died the other day. Yesterday, we went to the fair. Some BMW, classic fucking BMW drivers, he was all the way in this lane and was going all the way this way. Dude was going mock Jesus. He got so close to, I almost pitted him. Like, I almost did a pit maneuver on him. He was so close. I literally felt the fucking car shake. All right, I just pulled my beard hair. Ow. All right, phone, wallet, are you good? Here, let's see. This is a little straightaway. Let's see if we can get to like 20 miles, how fast we can get to 20. Here we go. There's 20. So that was third gear pin, and it was 30 mile an hour. Ow! I just pinched my beard hair again. I just shaved, so my beard's all sensitive. Any cars? Nope. What's this dude doing? I hope he's okay. Oh, he looks fine. It looks like he's waiting for somebody. But he was locking eyes with me, though. Felt like there was a romantic spark there for a second. He was just staring at me. See, now, listen, if this was my bike, I would try to get it and then motherfucker take it around the track like that. Shit. Do some lap times. Any cars? Damn, it's a big pothole. These little ass wheels, I gotta avoid every pothole. Oh, that's cool. God bless our troops. Happy Memorial Day. That's wicked. These things are so nimble, I'm about to scare the hell out of her. They're so nimble. Damn, I can smell my sweat from here. God bless me. Holy shit, brother. God dang. Don't do it, car. Please don't do it. I see your tires moving. Can you not kill us, please? Thank you. Ooh, he almost went for it too. Ooh. Big ass bump. Basically, first gear on this thing is kind of useless. Like, it's just like you're immediately into second gear. Let's see how much gas you got right now. Girl, you don't even need gas. All right. To redeem gas, fuck you. I ain't redeeming shit. V Revolution, plant-based healthy eat. All right. Am I gonna get my card back? Uh-oh. My card's locked. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh no, what do I do? Oh, press yes. That didn't fucking do it. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. We good? Please remove card quickly. Well, they didn't give it back to me quickly, now did they? Processing. Oh, fuck! I forgot to move money onto my account. Shit! You bet your ass I'm not. They tried to take $175! They tried to take $170. What the fuck? They tried to take $170. Okay, wow. Transfer out. We'll do it all. $175. I'm dizzy. That almost made me pass out. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Yes. Because you bet your ass I ain't walking in there to see an attendant. I'll walk backwards to that motherfucking pump before I do any of that. Enter 10-digit phone number. What do they need my phone? What is going on right now? Okay. They don't need my PIN number. They need my phone number. Invalid club card. It's not a club card. I'm about to lose. I'm about to lose my shit.
Does it have the top thing?
I'm gonna try it. $200. Would you like a receipt? You're damn right I want a receipt. They're gonna take two. What is going on right now? Holy shit. What the fuck was that about? All right. That was the most interesting gas pump I've ever dealt with in my life, dude. Yeah, she's literally already almost full and we're at $2. She's full, boys. That is, I wish I could do that. Mine takes 15. Let her drip because we don't want gas on the paint. Hit it with one of these.
All right.
Perfect. And now we see if Safeway charged me $200 fucking to do that. Well, they better give me, watch, it's gonna say go get receipt inside, watch. It doesn't say the total. Oh yeah, $3.10. All right, you motherfuckers. That is ridiculous. That is a wicked ass bike, dude. He looked really nice. He winked at me.
Did he really?
Yeah, he went. All right, after that whole gas fiasco, I have the receipt. She knows how to pump gas in her bike now, so we are going to slowly start heading back to her house. Not slowly, but we are taking back roads, and I don't want her dying of a heat stroke, so we're not going to do that, right? No heat stroke. No heat stroke. All right, get on. I'll keep filming. I'm not going to end the video right here because, you know, it's a short video. Small bike, small video. Yay. Is he going to let me go? I'm going to go for it. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Now, the only reason I'm going this way is because they have been doing construction on this fucking hospital for, it seems like, 10 plus years. And I want to see what it looks like. Like, I want to see the difference, but I got to let this lady cross first. Look, they are still doing construction on here. All these cones. Look, 17. Damn, it's pretty accurate. It's only off by like 1 mile an hour. Look at this new ass building, dog. Look at that. Damn, this is like a whole ass, like, campus. I don't even know there's a hospital anymore. But this is like a campus. This used to be a fire-ass ice cream place. I wonder if anybody else remembers when it was an ice cream place. It was fire, dude. Oh, there's disc golf. Oh, there's like disc golf holes there. No shot. That's gotta be new. Now be honest. Do you think if I slid down that chute, that trash chute, I would die? Or do you think I'd be chilling? Do you think I'd be chilling or no? Full throttle. Trying to get up to the speed of traffic. Come on, old girl. Come on. Dude, I think this bike would sound pretty good with a pipe on it. I like the style of the pipes that are on it now, like those two small little, you know, Johnnies, you know what I'm saying? But they're just so quiet because, you know, they have to comply with, you know, fucking dumbass laws. But dude, this bike could sound pretty wicked. It's got like a deep tone to it. It's just a real quiet one. Another thing that could be like a pain is like having to think about different routes, because you obviously cannot get on the highway, right? So you like have to think about different routes and ways to get there. Also, neutral is a breeze to find on this, and I don't think I've had any like false neutrals where I go into like second and I try to go into second and I go into neutral. That hasn't happened to me on this bike yet. See, like them tire grabbers right there, whoo! I feel like that would be unbelievably sketchy on one of these Johnnies. I don't know how big these tires are. You're basically full throttle all the time. Like, it's bringing through the gears, you are full throttle 100% of the time. Right now I'm not, because I'm keeping up with traffic, but off starts and stuff, man, it's like you have to be. Oh, a pink slug bug. Oh, it's got the eyelashes. Aw. Uh-oh. Where are those sirens? Are they behind us? That way? Yeah, they're right over there. Woo! Uh-oh, don't get hit, don't get hit, don't get hit, don't get hit. Oh, they're turning. Oh, don't get hit. Woo! We about hit that motherfucking curb. I guess we don't exist to him. Those are the kind of people you gotta look out for. If I was on my big bike, his mirror was gone. That mirror was toast. But he doesn't even have a license plate. You know, if he would have hit us, that motherfucker would have hit and ran. I bet you this thing gets stupid gas mileage. Like, dude, we were only down 1 bar, and we had gone like 50 something miles. Not today, but like combined. So I'll bet you this thing gets good gas mileage. All right, well, we're on our way back to her house, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here so she can go cool down and put this bike away. This poor girl. I'm having so much fun. Huge shout out to her for letting me even take this old girl out and making a video on it. I had so much fun. I want a mini bike, man. It's doing the same bike and this kind of same sort of thing gets boring after a while, and to just like freshen it up with a mini bike. My brother actually just bought a new dirt bike too. Maybe I'll have to try to make a video on that if he ever goes to the mountains one day. I'll have to rip it up on some trails or something, see how that girl handles, but we'll see. So as always, thank you guys coming along for this ride. Thank you for watching to the end. If you made it to the end, I really truly appreciate it. So as always, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.